This is the second part of the 32-2 notes. We're on number 3. It says, find the area of the sector formed by angle RQS. It's already been shaded in, so I don't want the outside. I want to know how much area is in this slice. So that's going to be X right here. That's my sector. That's what I want to know. The area of the circle I'll have to do a calculation for. The degree is 63. And we always have 360 at the bottom. So, area. Remember, area equals pi. It's just going to be easier to write it. Area from the other day, maybe yesterday, is pi r squared. I need to know area so I can plug it in here. So, what's the radius in the picture? The radius is 5. So what's 5 squared? That would be 25 pi. So my area, which I can now plug in here for this proportion, 25 pi. Okay, go ahead and let's do some cross multiplying. Divide by 360. So sort of the same setup, we just have a different formula. The sector area over the whole area. Once you set it up, you cross multiply. Now before we get into part B, I want to show you how I might list some other answers. So let's say I'm back at this point right here. When I cross multiply, you might see me write this. So x times 360 is 360x. And instead of getting that decimal, I'm just going to multiply the 25 times the 63, which gives me this. And since I didn't type in the pi, I would just write the pi. And then I would divide both sides by 360. So without typing the pi, I'm just going to leave the pi tagged along. I'm going to divide this number by 360, which is 4.37. This answer is the same as this answer. It's just sometimes I'll usually write both, but if I don't want to type pi and give a big decimal, I might just do this cross multiplication, 63 times 25, which gives me the number, and write pi instead of typing pi. And then I just keep tagging pi along in my answer instead of ever writing it. All right, let's look at part B. So part B, I still want to find the sector area, so this area in here, which is x. My degree is 106. Still have 360. I need to find the area. Remember, area is pi r squared. So here's my radius, 9. Plug 9 in to find your area. You're going to get 81 pi. Okay, we're ready to cross multiply. 360x equals 106 times 81. I'm just going to leave the pi instead of typing it, and then divide both sides by 360. Don't type the pi, just leave that. And you get 23.85 pi. This is the area of this sector right here. That's my answer. And I would write my label as feet squared because we're talking about area. Number 4, find the area of the circle this time. So this time we don't know the area of the circle, so x is going to be down here for area of the circle. My degree is 45. And it's telling me that the area of this sector, it should have an arrow, but this 22 here is pointing to this area of the sector, and I know that because if it was the area of the circle, that wouldn't be the question. Find the area of circle. They wouldn't just tell me. So that's going to be the area of this sector. So similar setup. Things are just, x is just in a different place. So we can go ahead and cross multiply and solve. Go ahead and do that on your own. And